This is my name. Okay, I did my degree and master in UTM Johor Skudai. And then after that, after I finish my master, after I finish my graduate degree, I work as product engineer in Penang from 2007 to 2009. How old are you when you are when in 2007? 2 years, 2 years, 4 years, 3 years. Okay. So during that time, I'm already working as a product engineer in Penang. Okay. And after that, I did my degree from 2003 to 2007. 2003? How old are you? Not born yet. Okay. And then after that, in 2009, 2011, master, and 2015 to 2020, PhD. Oh, sorry, 2011, 2015, UNIMED. And after that, 2015, PhD in UK. I'm doing control. Okay. And after that, until now, current. Okay. So my major is control engineering. Normally, every semester previously, I teach control. However, this is my first time teach students static. Okay, I never teach students static, but this is my first time I teach the student static. Okay, normally when you ask your senior, do you know the static? Yes, his major is control. Control one, example two. Okay. Let's say I have this box. Okay, I have this box. Let's say this is the direction. This is X. This is Y. Okay. And then this is your reference. Your reference, the value is A. Then I say this is number F1, this is F2, F3, F4, F5. Yeah. Okay. F1. F1 is A. Is it? The direction is at Y direction. Okay. However, this is the axis name. X normally we refer to the I direction. Y normally we refer to J. So it means that F1, the direction, the value of F1 is A. The direction is J. Is it positive direction or negative direction? Okay. You look at F2. If one box is A, how many boxes is there? So what is the value of here? 2A. Because you have A. How many A do you have? 2A. So that's why you have 2A. What is the direction? Positive or negative? You look at F3. What do you think? Negative? 3A. How many boxes? Because one box refers to A. If you have two boxes, you have 2A. The direction is J. Yeah? Direction is J. Is it positive, negative? Negative. F4. Do you think it's 3? 2.5. A, half A. Is it? So you have 2.5 A. The direction is J. F5 negative. The value is A. The direction is positive, negative. So this is the vector. So something like that. Okay. So sorry, yeah. This is only vertical, yeah. Vertical. How about I have arrow at the diagonal? Diagonal. Okay. Same thing. This is X. This is Y. The direction of X we name as I. The direction of Y we name as J. Okay. So now let's say this is F. F. Okay. So we only can move either vertical or horizontal. We cannot move diagonal. Okay. We only can move horizontal or vertical. So what do you think? What is the way can I move from here? This is my original position and this is my target. So how I can move from here to there? By refer to the vertical and horizontal direction. What do you think? So I need to move horizontal first. Is it correct? Then I go to vertical. Is it correct? So it means that in order for me to get from origin to F, I need to move F at the X direction first. And then I need to move Y direction. Is it correct? So it means that in order so the F here is the combination of Fx, which direction? I direction. Is it positive, negative? Positive. And then plus with Fy. What direction? Positive, negative? So this is now we have two diagonal direction. Okay? So the total of F we name as Fr is the combination of F1 plus F2. Okay? But is it in vectors? Yet? No, because if you still remember, the vector must have direction I and J. Okay? So, in this case, we need to F1 must have in I and J direction. Is it true? F2 also must have I and J direction. Then we can call it as a vector. Okay. So now we try to solve F1 first. Okay. So we solve F1. For sure, F1 is the combination of this thing, is it correct? Which is F1 at the X and F1 at Y. So the F1 is F1X at the Poisson direction. Is it positive or negative? Positive. Plus with F1Y J direction, positive, negative? Positive. Easy, yeah? Okay. So now, we already settled for F1. So we settle for F2. The F2 for sure is combination of this one, is it? Which is F2, we name as, what is it? F2X. This one we name as F2Y. Yes. So F2 is an F2X. What direction? I first. Is it positive, negative? Negative. Because the positive direction on your right, the negative direction on your left. The positive direction or towards to the top, the negative J direction to the bottom, yeah. Plus with F2Y, which direction? Positive or negative? Positive. So it means that the vector FR is F1 is F1X I plus with F1Y J. This is F1. The F2 is negative F2X I plus with F2Y J. So now we have I, J, J. Is it correct? So we can simplify it. We put I together and J together. So it means that F1X minus F2X I plus F1Y plus F2Y J. Like that. Find the F, we call it this resultant. Resultant, is it? The F resultant we name as F R. So it means that F1 is a combination of F1XI plus with F1YJ. F2 is F2XI and then minus F2YJ. This one F3 is F3X negative kan? Minus F3Y. So the FR equal to F1X plus F2X minus F3X I plus with F1Y minus F2Y minus F3Y. Okay, I have two directions. Vincent pull me towards you. Tina pull me towards the whiteboard. Something like that. So where is my final direction? Is it go to Vincent or go to Tinesh? Backward, forward? I don't know. So however, throughout the calculation, we can know the answer. Because you imagine this is me. Di Tinahan Vincent what other one? Your name? Huh? T. Just T. Normally T is a rapper. Yeah. Okay. So you can imagine this is me, and Dinesh, Vincent, and T told me. So what is my final direction? So that's why we need to calculate FR. FR will tell you what is the combination of F1, F2, F3. Where is my final direction? This is FR. Okay, so that's why I don't need to calculate to know the direction of FR. So we need to use trigonometry. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so now we just know FR this one, yeah? But we don't know what is the direction. Yeah? So we need to use so FR. Example lah. I think I need some numbers lah. It will be more easy. Yeah? Before we go this one, I will go back to the trigonometry first. Let's say this is FR. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay? This is theta. Alright? So, how can I calculate theta based on A, B, C value? Okay, so how can I calculate theta based on A, B, C values? How can I use calculate theta? Yes, sin theta. Okay, so I can use sin theta, is it? The sin theta, what is the formula? What is the opposite? What is the A ke C ke B? B over C. This is the first way. What is the second way? I can calculate theta. Cos. Cos theta. A over. Is there any way I can calculate theta? Tangent. Is that B over A? Yes. You need to remember this. Okay. So, in order to calculate theta, I can use theta equal to sin B over C. In order to calculate theta also, I also can use A over C. In order to calculate theta, I also can use. Okay. Do you think this answer similar or different? Are you sure? Are you sure the answer is similar or different? Huh? Maybe yes, maybe no. Do you think the answer is same or different? This theta, is it the same theta? So for sure, the answer is same. If let's say I give you this is 3, 4, and 5. Can you calculate the theta by using your calculator? Can you help me? Firstly, please use sine first. So this one sine inverse B over C will be 4 over 5. Then please let me know the answer. 53.1. So next, can you try to calculate cos inverse A is 3n? What do you get? 53.1. If you use tangent inverse 4 over 3, what do you get? Okay, so it means that whatever, as long as you use the correct formula, so either you use sine, cos, or tangent, you can get the same answer, theta. Okay, so what is this value? What can you use? Huh? You can use tangent. You don't know the theta value also. Huh? Hypotenuse. Pythagoras. You use that? Okay. So let's say I name it as X. X. So what is the X value? So the X value you can use by using 3 power of 2 plus square root. So what is the X value? 5. Okay. So our target, we want to find FR, right? FR. So the FR is the combination of F1 plus F2 plus with F3. Okay. Firstly, what you need to do is don't panic. You look at this question, please don't panic. Okay? You know the basic that if you want to find the FR, FR is a combination of F1, F2, and F3. Remember what we learned before, we need to find every F separately. Okay, so this is our basic. FR is a combination of F1, F2, and F3. So now we need to find F1. Go to the basic again. We need to find the direction of F1. Is it correct? So what is the vector of F1? This is Y. What is the direction of F1? 300. J positive or negative? That's all. Okay. So now we go to F2. F2 n. F2 should be, negative F2x, is it? Go to the basic again. Plus or negative? Positive F2y J. So now, we go to the basic, negative F2x I direction plus F2y J direction. So now we want to find what is the F2x. So we go step by step. So that's why I ask you, don't panic. Okay? So now, how we want to find the F2x? So you just extract this information. This is what this angle here? 45. This is what is the value here? 450. So now you want to find f2x and you want to find f2y. Is it correct? Yeah. So you still remember you have three formulas, which is sine. You have this one, A, B, C. Is it correct? A, B, C. Our trigonometry. A equal to f2x, B equal to f2y. This is theta 45. C equal to 450. Okay. So in order to calculate f2x, you need to use cos theta. Cos theta equal to A over C. Our A equal to f2x, is it correct? So we replace as f to x. Our C equal to 450. Our theta equal to 45. So now can you calculate f2x? Equal to 450 cos 45. Can you use your calculator to calculate the answer? What is the answer? 318. 318.1. 318.18 lah. Okay. So this is your f2x. Alright. So now we want to calculate f2y. So in order to calculate f2y, we use sin theta equal to b over c. So we look at sin theta equal to b over c. The theta equal to 45. Our b equal to f2y. Our c equal to 450. So now can you calculate f2y? So it's equal to 450 sin 45. What is the answer? Same thing, eh? 318.2. So it means that our f2 actually equal to negative. You have negative here. The f2x 318.2 at the I direction plus with our f2y 318.2 at the j direction. So this is our f. Okay. So we already settle for f1, settle for the f2. Okay. So this is our final one, f3. F3, yeah. So for the f3, we extract the information 300. So this should be f3 x should be f3 y. So the f3 is combination of f3x at what direction? I direction plus and the j direction. So what you need to calculate is what is the f3x value and f3y value. Okay. So you still remember that in order to calculate F2x and F2y. This one, we need angle, is it? So what is the angle here? Yeah? Okay. The theta. Sorry, 200 M. This is should be 200. Okay. So how you calculate theta? Huh? Where is the information can I use to calculate theta? Yeah. This theta is same with this theta, same thing. Same, right? So what is the theta value? Huh? Three, four, five. Theta you can use. Can. Theta equal to cos inverse 305. You can use theta equal to sin inverse 4/5. Or you can use theta equal to tangent inverse 4/3. That's same answer, right? So what is the answer? 53.1. Okay, so the angle here is 53.13. Okay, now you help me to calculate f3x? What is the value? F3x. You may compare with this one. Theta A, B, C. So cos theta equal to A over C. Sin theta equal to B over C. So you know that the C equal to 200, A equal to F3x, B equal to F3y. So now theta equal to 53.13. So we have cos 53.13 equal to our A is F3x divided by 200. And then sin 53.13 equal to B F3y divided by 200. So now you can calculate F3x equal to and F3y equal to huh? 120. Yang ni 120. Yang ni ini 120. 120 ya. Same thing. You get the same answer, yeah? 120, 120, yeah? Okay, so finally, the F3x, F3 actually 120 at the I direction plus 120 at the J direction. You get the same answer? Huh? 160. 60. Not 120, yeah? So this is 160. 160 should be 160. Okay, everyone agree with this answer? Did any objection? Okay. Yeah. Normally Colin, I want to go to the sea. If you want to know it, we can get how about if we have better? Okay, so dah jam berapa dah? Tak boleh belakang. So we will end our class where we can conclude that the FR is F1 plus F2 plus F3, where based on our calculation that F1 is 300, okay. F2 what is answer again? Negative 318.2 I plus EM. And then this is F2 and F3 is plus 160. Okay. And then if we combine them together, we get 300 plus 100, 300 minus 318.2 plus 120 I. Sorry, J, yeah. The J. Okay. So finally, you get negative 318.2 plus 120 I plus with 300 plus 318.2 plus 160 E. So this is your F. So what is the answer here? Negative 198.2 I plus with 8.2. So